This is what happens when you use the reusable pods. The coffee gets all over. Good morning, guys. It's Vlogmas day 18. I know I'm behind a little, but I had to calm my hair down a little bit. It was just a little bit too bright for me, especially this side. So I just was just gonna make this side, but yeah. Um, some days you wake up and it's just like blah. You just feel blah. You know what I mean? That's just one of them days. I just keep but anyways, yeah. I'm running out of things to vlog for this Vlogmas. So I don't even know. Maybe I'll go do, I don't know what I'm gonna do. But here is the sleeping baby. Oh, she's sleeping. Yeah, I got up early for work. I got up at 3:30. What the heck? I'm gonna be tired, and it's like 5:30 right now. I did some yoga. Tried to do some yoga, but sometimes it's hard because my arm. So I cannot do anything like on my arm. So I have to do, like for the legs and stuff. It's hard. But yeah, so I don't know what I'm gonna do today. Just go to work and then maybe that's about it. But I'll see and try to make this a little bit more interesting today. Alrighty, guys, so it is actually day 22, but I'm gonna finish off my day 18 of the Vlogmas. I'm not gonna quit. I was, but I just don't want to quit. So I'm gonna add this like 18, 19, 20. No, okay? So it's gonna be from 18 to 22, okay, guys? Yeah, just didn't have nothing exciting to vlog about, but I'm just gonna be probably organizing my vanity. I was gonna say my freaking vanity, but my vanity, it looks all crazy and stuff. It is so messy. And I'm just here looking at it. I'm like, I just keep passing it so I don't have to deal with it. But when I put in my makeup on, I'm going to have to do something about it. So I'll do that in my vlog today. And if anybody has a vanity like mine, maybe this will motivate you. Don't judge me. Do not judge me. But look at all my crap up here. I got this ring light from Amazon, and I really do like it. I really do like it. It's a bit bulky, so if you don't have the room for it, then it's like I hardly have any room for it, but I'm making use of it. So I'll just leave that link below, and it's really good though. I really like the lighting of it. I found this link from Amanda Rose, so that's the light she had. Maybe she has one of these, but I just seen that it looks really good, her lighting, so I bought one of these from her link. So that's how I found this one. I didn't want to just buy lights that are not, that I can't see, you know what I mean? So I just was looking at other YouTubers if they have any links of what they use. So I just purchased one that she had put in her description. But anyways, yeah, look at my mess. I've been hardly doing makeup. I just did one today. Look at that. And I just pile my stuff up here. I'll start by doing some of this stuff. So all this thing here, I just like wrap it up and just hang it on the light. The other lights that I bought from the smaller lights, they are already junk. So they're not in use. I threw them away or, gave them away. I got this here. I gotta wash. These are the brushes that I have that has to be washed. Yes, there's a lot of stuff here. These are like most of my foundations in here. Okay, so I think I did another video about, well, I didn't show you guys, but this is the stuff that I bought from Daiso. It's to hold the brushes in. So I was thinking when I'm washing them, I'll just kind of like let this hang dry like that and then stick this to the wall or wherever it'll stick. I think it has to be maybe a mirror, I'm not too sure. But that's what my idea of these things were for, so that I can dry them like that. These were from Daiso. It came in a pack of 2. So I bought 2 packs, so it has 4. So we'll see if that actually will work. And then I have my little crystals from Carrie. They feel so good because it feels so cold. Oh my goodness, so I'm gonna put that here. So these are just all pencils that I have to like sort out. I just can't seem to find my, you know, my pencil sharpener. I know it's somewhere, but I just have a hard time to find it. Put this here. Okay, so I'm gonna, oh, look at this. It's kind of like, oh, there. I never use it though. I think this is from church. They gave us some of this. So this here is a little bit, don't like too much scent. This won't be good for you because it has a really strong scent. So getting there, guys. It kind of looks a little bit more decent now. I guess I will leave this kind of like kitty corner so that I can just leave my light back there, because it's really, you know, I don't have a big room here where I'm living now. So yeah, so I'm gonna have to be, maybe I'll do my brushes later, not today. And I was gonna try this on. It's the Skin Caviar. These are like luxury brand. It's really expensive. We have a mask. And so I think this is just like a cream remastered caviar. I don't know what that is, but we have a mask and we have another cream here, so I shall try that on later on. Good sizes, just to, you know, sample sizes, so they're really good sizes. Yeah, I'm gonna try them later on tonight. I think they do have pretty packaging. Yeah, let's keep my out there. Alrighty guys, so that is it. I just straightened straightening them out because it was looking kind of crazy there. Alrighty guys, so that will be my video for today. I just straightened out my table, and I'm just now laying down and watching some YouTube. There, Cujo right there. But anyways, you guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'm gonna try and catch up tomorrow. I just gotta go to work, and then nothing, you know, I still have a few more gifts to get, but you know, I don't think I'll make it before Christmas, or maybe Friday. That's gonna be a crazy day to shop. But anyways, I'll do it online, and if it comes after Christmas, then oh well, so sorry, you know, better late than never, guys. But anyways, hope you all enjoyed this video. You guys take care, God bless, and I will see you all in my next video.